Yes.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening. Yes.
I am from Kuwait.
You're from Kuwait. Yes.
I am Prabhakar. The last month I also attended the Sanjeevani meditation.
Yes.
And today it was really a good experience.
Okay.
So when I was going to my previous ages and then to previous births, I felt a lot of vibrations and positive vibration sense, and also goosebumps, and I felt like relieving all my stress and burdens. That's what I think.
Okay.
So now I think this meditation, what it has taught me is we have to be careful. We have to prarabdha karma, in the prarabdha karma, we have to undergo that in a very positive way, in a cool way, in a calm manner. That's what we have to do. And then we have to avoid the akamya karma.
Yes.
We should not carry that in future. That's what I learned today. And thank you very much. It was a very nice experience.
Good.
And it was a very good day for me. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Very nice. Thank you. Yes.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Namaste. Yes. Yes. Please continue.
Anandi, like my daughter. Guruji, it was amazing experience.
Okay.
I feel kind of empty.
Okay.
Like no thoughts, no heaviness. Yes, I felt a lot of vibration when we're talking, like when we are going through it. But now I feel like it's almost like it does never happen, because always there's so much thoughts and heaviness.
Okay.
But now I feel empty.
Good. So your daughter, how did she feel?
Yeah, it was very good. Just felt vibrations kind of cold, like kind of.
Okay. Good to know that. And the first meditation which we did, the one in the middle, the small one, please do it often. It will help a lot. Okay.
The one that we did.
The soul relief meditation which we did today. Please do it often. It will really help you.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, I was going to say, you said, if in this situation, it's just better to sometimes accept and go through the karma this time. But if you are kind of releasing that person or that situation, are you going to get it back again? Or is it you're literally letting it go and that's all?
No. Maybe you're resolving the whole thing,
Mm-hmm.
See, the whole point is when you resolve and come out of a situation, you come out without any bad feelings or negative feelings. Just feel happy that this had to happen, it has happened. If something doesn't work out for you and you want to come out, that's fine. But do it with a balance, emotional balance. That is most important. If you come out with disappointment, if you come out with anger or hatred, that is what you carry. So you release the persons who are involved from your system. And you don't get stuck with any situation. Karmically, situations will come up in life. But the point is how you go through them, and if necessary, if you have to come out of them, do it in such a way that you do not hold any negative feelings. You be detached and come out. That will be better. That way, I think it's good. It will, whatever is best for you will happen. Okay. All the best. All the best.
Thank you, Guruji.
Okay.
Thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yes.
Okay. Namaste. First of all, thank you very much. I am really feeling blessed. I feel that I have brought a lot of good karma, and that is why universe has given this opportunity to more about it through you, and not to create any non-positive akamya karma, and means to take responsibility and accept the prarabdha karma as it is. We have to be very conscious about our thoughts. So means I do that, but even then certain points like when you mentioned about intention, even our body language, all those things we have to be careful about, that we shouldn't hurt anybody by our body languages or expressions. So we have to be so conscious about everything. So it's an excellent session. It was an excellent session, which I've got a lot of knowledge and wisdom, and which will help me to remove all the karmas. Thank you very much, Guruji.
Very nice. Thank you very much for joining. Good to have you. Thank you so much.
Hello, Guruji. How are you?
Hello, hello. Nice to
It's
see you.
when I see you, I become completely speechless because I don't know what to say. I'm so happy seeing you.
Okay,
I,
very nice to see you also. Yeah.
yeah, I completely was overwhelmed doing this soul relief meditation. I was all tears also, and everything was happening, and it was a lot of emotion and turmoil inside, all together mixed. And after doing that, I felt very, very peaceful. But one thing I understood is today that from you, through you, that not to create more of akamya karma. That was
Yes.
something. It is in my. It's very difficult, Guruji, to kind of control those thoughts. It is very, very difficult. But with your meditations, if we do regularly, I think we can come to that level
Yes,
where, you
definitely.
know, yeah, all the hard work that you do for us, we at least can translate it in our lives. Thank you so much.
Definitely, definitely. Wishing you all the very best. Huh? Thank you so
Guruji,
much.
sorry, I want to ask you one question. When are we going to do Srividya? I'm waiting for it in English.
Srividya, yes, I've told next month. I don't know the date,
Okay,
but the end of next month or beginning of October. Definitely we are doing.
okay.
I
Charan
will.
Sparsh to you, Guruji.
I
Charan
love
Sparsh to you.
doing Srividya. So last week it was such a divine experience, and of course it was in
Yeah,
Tamil,
it was in
so you
Tamil.
could
Yeah,
not join. But very soon we will do it in English. Don't worry.
yeah.
Definitely.
Bowing at your feet, Guruji. Bowing at your feet.
All the best and Om Namah
Thank you.
Shivaya. Yes.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Good
Yes. Hello.
afternoon. Good afternoon, Srimata. It's like I don't know how to express it. Where there is a will, there is a way, right? So right from 2018 January Alpha first level that I have started to Anubandham to self-glow meditation, and today I was dead sure that I will attend today's meditation, whatever comes in the way. Just like I had the same thought on the first time and the same today, and I cannot express every time how is it that I rise above a situation. I live a normal life. I live alpha. I would say it's only alpha that is helping me to deal with everything situation in
Okay.
life. A lot to say, but yeah, meditation, as I said, is the only way I release things.
Good, good.
Thank you
Good
so
to
much.
see you. All the very best.
Thank you.
Be happy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Right.
Pranam Guruji.
Yes.
I changed my life from 20 years back. I attend your first level in Mumbai, then Chandigarh, then Delhi so many times. And Alpha Mind Power is very powerful. It changed the life. With the Prarabdha Karma, I changed my thought form, and I feel very happy. And thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing that. Very nice to see you. Thank you so much.
Pranam Guruji.
Yes.
Yeah, hi Guruji. This is Jyoti here. How are you?
I'm fine, Jyoti. How are you? Tell me.
Doing well, Guruji. As everyone says, there are many things to say about Alpha and about you. But as the time is limited, I just like to say 2-3 things important. When I was seeking answer from a long time, like after my mother was gone, so I was asking my mother, like, guide me now how to go move on to further in my life. And I was watching a lot of your photos and videos of your home. So there at a fraction of second, I saw my mother's face onto you, and there I got guided by her that you will get all the answers by you. And I'm really like I think I'm thankless for the past 5 years how my life has evolved completely. And the second important thing about karma dosha, because we are focusing this meditation right now, I would like to share one experience where in my previous situation and challenges where I was not able to come out completely, and where I have discussed with you long back, 2 years back in my office situation, where I was not able to handle that karma during that point of time, and the office situation was very complicated, where I don't want to hurt that person who is doing the wrong karma towards me, and being that person is a lady and divorcee, and I don't want to let her go. We can do so many things to keep ourselves safe also. Then I pray to Bala, as suggested by you as well. You're going to just tell her to come out of the situation because the environment is too negative. So you have to sometimes change your perception, your thoughts as well. So that time I did it, and it got really resolved at the very instant from the day I prayed to her. Then the second situation, as all of us are facing one by one, our karma keep increasing. This time, whenever we have a problem where we are not able to see what to do next, but this time I did not pray to Bala, to let me come out of the situation. I want to solve it once for all. And that is the unlearning which I'm getting it from the karma dosha problem. We have to solve it, and we are getting guidance by the divine energies or via you. So, it is up to our conscious level where we want to solve, when we want to solve it. Because anyways, it will come back to us again and again. So once for all, I think we all need to have a
True. Yes, Jyoti, I think your line is a bit weak. Okay, I'm sure you have the courage and strength, and I hope this class has given you that little bit of more energy to handle anything in life. And I'm sure you will do it in a better way now, definitely.
Yeah, I think I'm doing it. I'm really thankful to you.
Thank you so much for sharing. Bye.
Pranam Guruji.
Yes,
Reena from Chandigarh.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good, Guruji. So good to see you. And as always, the most wonderful experience. Lot of vibrations I could feel, but I was relaxed. And this is going to be a part of our life now. Alpha is a way of life for me.
Yeah.
So start my day with it and I end my day with it. And now, of course, with your wisdom and with your guidance, I think our good karmas that we are getting such this bliss, sitting at our homes.
Correct.
So grateful to you, Guruji. Thank you so much for everything. Really.
Thank you very much for joining us and for sharing. Wonderful. It's been a very good class. Yes. Thank you.
Hi, Guruji.
Hi. Yes.
Yes. How are you doing?
Your name?
It's Ganga.
Okay.
I'm talking from Canada.
Yeah.
I really enjoy it today. I'm so happy. And I stuck last 2 years with some emotional problem, but I cleared today everything. And today is my birthday. So I
many happy returns. Very, very happy birthday.
Thank you. From today on, I'm a new baby. New baby.
Good. Very good. Excellent. I'm really happy to hear that.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Good. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, ma'am.
Hello,
Hi.
Amma. Preet.
Preet, yeah.
It's been so long, Amma. It's been, I think, we moved here many years back, and I was a student when I attended your course. Yeah. And after that, been lost, I mean, I do go back to your meditations, but I'm lost since then. And today I felt like going back to the same time when I had found solutions. And my sister had also attended your course.
Namaskaram. Okay. Namaskaram. Very nice to see you. Okay.
I had attended your course in 2008. I was in school, just starting teenage, and
so many years back. I know.
And it was today. It felt the same after a very long time.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Good. I'm so glad both of you were able to join us. I hope it helps. I hope the class helps to handle everything in future. Yeah.
Actually, the Corona made it possible, I think. I mean, I know it has brought a lot of misery to the world, but it has brought you close to us. Because, I mean, we couldn't travel to India in a long time, and there was no way that I could, attend your class. And this was the only, I mean, it is definitely a misery for the world and everyone, but it is also great for people who are seeking, meditation and going within. I think it's a blessing in disguise. And thank you so much. And I hope when things get regular, you still hold online classes for people who are away from India, right?
Yeah, sure. Don't worry. Now I am getting addicted to the online classes. I don't feel like traveling anymore. So this will happen. This will continue. Yeah, it's good.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you, Amma.
And very nice to see both of you. My pleasure, really. So please practice the meditation, the soul relief meditation, and join us for our future classes, because I remember long back you wrote to me and asked for Sri Vidya. I
Yes,
still
Amma.
remember that, but those days we were not doing online classes. But now I
Yes,
think
Amma.
that will be the norm. So very soon we will have Srividya. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you
Okay.
so much,
Good.
Amma.
Very nice. Namaste. Okay. So we will conclude the class. I'm so happy that all of you could join us. So very nice. I hope you carry back this message with you. The Sanchita Karma is there. Let us not worry about it. The Prarabdham which is happening today, let us try to make it easier for us. And then the Akamya should become 0 from today. That is the message I want you to carry with you, and keep it in your mind and work on it. I'm sure you will be able to handle things in a much better way. My blessings to each and every one of you for a much better life. Thank you very much for being here. Namaste.